Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page. It's SteveCurrington.com if you're new to the channel. I'm Lambros Steve, and I just had to knock the dust off the camera because, man, it is nasty out, and I haven't been filming anything. Some off-roading you probably saw down in Houston, but back in Oklahoma, we're getting ready for the Toro Rally. We're leaving in like 2 days, and there is a massive snowstorm in Tulsa, Oklahoma. What else could I do but get the Urus out, get the 360 on the back, and I'm headed to go get Travis. We're going to go see Jacob and Willie, and by the way, they're going with us on the Toro Rally. We're going to go eat at Cracker Barrel because that's what you do in Oklahoma whenever everything's snowed in. Sick. We're not parking over there, suckers. So I can peacock for my friends. Oh, the Trailhawk is gonna back up into us. Sorry. Oh man, I almost got the Jeep in my face, bro. Come on, Willie! Willie! Jacob, come on! Over here! That's why he parked over there, that big old freaking dually. Yeah, that's like made for the, and he's got the 4 Giottos on it. It's like made for Oklahoma weather. All right, we're gonna get the 360 off the back.
The lights are on.
We'll unhook them. There you go, we got a little country music.
Okay, whew. What was wrong with this bish? Hello, Daddy. What the hell? What the hell?
It's the camera car. I didn't see all that.
All right, we're at the cracker where the barrels go. I mean, the barrel where the crackers go. And I ordered coffee. She brought me water. And she said, I'll be out with your coffee when it gets done brewing, as she fills up their coffee. She said she'll make it fresh for me, so they got the old crap.
They got the old, we got the new, bud.
So anyway, sorry guys. God, that coffee kind of stinks. Anyway, I got the good stuff coming.
Yeah, we'll get in and fix it out and put some air out.
Now we're not in Nebby mode anymore. We're gonna go back into Nebby. Oh God, I don't want to crash. All right, boys, we ate like a bunch of crackers in a barrel, and now we're headed to we're gonna go find a parking lot. We had to pull the GoPro in because it froze. Like, what the hell? What the hell? So we got the selfie stick and everything's still on there, but we had to bring the camera inside. Where do I put the camera? It got a new battery in it. We had it inside, so it's thawing. I don't know how long it's gonna work once we get in this parking lot, but we sure will see. Here we go. Camera found. Yes, it's not frozen. Yes. Okay, record. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh my God, that did pretty good, bro. enough. I've had enough, Dad. I've had enough. Did it look like crap? Okay, good. Yes. All right, now look, it spun it all the way around here where it was recording. Let's see if we can go watch it on the 360. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta put the window up. Jeez. Okay, here we go. Not good on the car, but okay. Oh, that's good.
It's getting a little wobble.
I know. What is the deal with that?
Off balance.
This is why you don't do donuts in the snow in your Urus. I do have one tire at my house, so if we mess something up. See, it wasn't wobbling there. God dang it.
Might have just been a weight fell off or something.
No, that was like a freaking death wobble. We got a death wobble. Well, if there's like a wobble now, it feels like in the rear. Oh, dead guy. You're smart, bro. So if I go real fast, it'll probably break loose.
Scrape the shit out of there somehow, or run by a car wash and spray it out. But car wash may not be open today either. I did it yesterday. That may not be open today.
There are no car. I guarantee there ain't a car wash open. Just spray it out of there. Okay, I'm going for it. Dad. Any of it.
Yeah.
Cars are probably like, what in the hell? Dude, it is cold.
Freeze.
Oh. Ah. Freaking
Chilly.
Jacob had shorts on. Okay, Jacob, you
Yeah,
freaking
feels.
genius. Oh, you dadgum genius. That was it. So I had those things ceramic coated, so it all like really thin, you know, but it was all ceramic coat, so it was like slipped right off. You just became my new mechanic, so thank you for that. John Reeves is gonna be so sad. Oh, the cruise.
See you.
I got passed by a cruise. Enough shenanigans. We did donuts in the snow. We're posting an Instagram right now, cell phone video of that, so you guys can see it. So if you saw that previously, and then that's the end for today because it's so cold that the GoPro keeps dying. So we're gonna download that footage, that 360 stuff, and it'll be like, Travis, get to work, because I'm going back to sit in front of the fire because it's cold. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.